So this is what I got in the mail today. It's just a huge box full of batteries. This is 100 18650s, I think. I bought 100. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 6, 9, 10. Yeah, this is 100 18650s. They're all second-hand, obviously. I think somebody built a power wall e-bike battery pack thingama, I don't know. But those are extremely cheap. Although I actually bought another couple boxes from a different seller. And the whole reason why I did that is I'm going on a sort of, well, it's not a conference, it's a meetup really, where people meet up, present their hacks and whatever, build stuff. I thought it would be nice to actually take some power with me. And as you tend to do, once you get locked into a serious battery collection, the tendency is to push it as far as you can. So I thought my ThinkBook runs off a maximum 4 amp 20 volt power supply. I think I'll just make a bank of 6 by however many there are in there, and then build a little battery management system, and then have just this huge chunk of batteries, and that will run the thing for hours. And then I also have a nice 24 volt bus that I can run all my other stuff from. Although I also have the portable power supplies that look a little like this, and I have a USB in where you can charge it and USB out, so you can charge your phone or whatever. And then they also have 5 and 3.3 volt output switched. So you can also use both if you actually plug your 5 volts into a USB port and then switch this to the 3.3, and you get your 3.3 from there, which is nice. I might even post a video on this, although this is such a small sort of project. But I usually don't post these very small projects like this. I think I'd knock this out in an afternoon or two. Although I'm fairly satisfied with how neat it is. So that's one thing. Besides that, there's a couple updates on a couple of projects. I didn't get to do much work on most projects recently because I was fairly busy with research and also with studying to get a ham license. So this is just a little adapter thing I made for this GP eBay logic analyzer, which is supposed to go with the Z80 computer project. So I can just hook these little hook probes to stuff. So I'll look at a computer over here. It has these test boards in here. Well, it has that one test board in here. The lighting is a bit garbage, but so you can just get these and then hook them onto here. It's very easy if the thing is standing. You could also hook it to any sort of IC pin or whatever. So yeah, I'm currently working on the memory module. I think I'll have knocked that out soon. I've got the board layout almost done, but I'm lacking time at the moment. So it should be better in a couple of weeks. But till then. And then also, the other big project that's running at the moment is this oscilloscope here. It just hasn't changed all that much since the last video, I don't think. What I did is, what I think was not featured in the last video, I put that capacitor that powers all the filaments, I put it up here. And then also, and this will be probably subject of the next video, Also made a new chassis for the horizontal vertical amplifier and a couple extra circuitry, like the trigger circuitry or whatever, oscillator thing and the sync and everything. And yeah, so that's going to live over here like this. And yeah, this was featured in last videos, the heating transformer. And then I also have these two terminals here where the line comes in. And then also have one free tube slot. I don't know what to do with that yet. Might be, I'll put a voltage regulator in there in case I need it. That's why it's still open, because I'm still deciding on it if I need that. Or maybe I'll put some sort of oscillatory type of thing there to have that away from the main amplifier board, where it would cause probably more trouble than it's worth. So yeah, it's just a little update on a couple projects. Yeah.